the British public. So if you could put a message out to the British public that when the lockdowns do end, we've got a guest that you will all know by now. He's James Sinclair, number 3 times. It's his hat-trick appearance on the Boostly podcast. Now we're gonna talk about this letter in a bit more detail over the course of a couple of minutes. But this is a letter that you want to send to Boris. This is a letter that you want to send to the Prime Minister. You want to send to the Chancellor. But
Well, I had a big empire. I don't know whether I've still got a big empire. That's the big question. I mean, yeah, I'm in a man that's pretty much spent his life in the hospitality and leisure sector. We own 11 family attractions, 6 day nurseries. We make teddy bears. We've made over 1 million teddy bears, and I coach entrepreneurs. All right, but we are the sector that drives community. We are the sector that drives families to get together. First of all, the United Kingdom is obviously trusted around the globe as a great place to do business.
Now, you've been busy as well. You started up not 1, but 2 businesses. Now, we talked about the Entrepreneurs University last time, but let's focus on the second one. Marsh Farm. What have you been doing with Marsh Farm? Because obviously the visit attraction, people can't go in, but what was the idea that you and the team had, and what did you do?
I would want to be with Boris Johnson or Rishi Sunak to get my 7 points through to save our lives. I think that the government can do all of this stuff because they need to get their money paid back. Shall I read it and then we'll go through it? Yeah,
please do.
Here we go. Dear Boris and Rishi, stay in business, protect our jobs and economy, save livelihoods.